Meisner Park Amphitheater for a free community yoga class.
Quite a sight on this New Year's Day in Meisner Park in Boca Raton. Look at all of these people taking advantage of a free yoga class today. What a great way to start off the new year.
And one more time on each side. Lift the right knee. Come on up. You got this. Hold on. Support each other. Be together. Put it down. Sit deep. Sit a little deeper. Use each other's strength. That's it. Come on up. Release both feet to the mat. Inhale. Reach your arms up high.